This is what happens when a luxury watch brand dives into watch modding. This video is brought to you by Shiva's Gold and Gems. The Hublot Spirit of Big Bang Meca-10 is an exceptional watch for the popular watch brand that comes in an impressive 45mm case size while sporting some polished and microblasted surfaces. The thickness is 14.5mm that comes protected with 50 meters of water resistance because of that non-screw-down crown. This avant-garde timepiece delivers in the luxury department with generous measures of 18-karat king gold, Hublot's own blend of this luxurious metal, titanium screws, and a sapphire sandwich dial. For those who are vaguely aware, Hublot is a luxury watch brand that rose to stardom because of its aesthetically striking design and savvy marketing. Their heavy emphasis on materials technology is also an area many experts appreciate. This Spirit of Big Bang, however, adds another dimension to this already impressive resume. While admiring this timepiece on my 6¼ wrist, I was amazed at how seamless Hublot fit a round movement in this barrel-shaped case. Hublot doesn't get enough praise for its engineering proficiency. This quick-release strap feature, for example, disengages and snaps back into place with the utmost satisfaction. It's a clever mechanism that adds value through its strap options. As a bonus, it's also rather easy to clean. On the topic of clean, the in-house Meca-10 movement had to be restructured for this case to make it a clean and seamless integration. It also needs to be said that this is one of the smoothest and easiest winding experience anyone can have from a luxury watch. Let's dive deeper into this incredible piece of engineering to get the full experience. The sapphire sheet within the curved sapphire crystal provides hours of joy with its multi-dimensional effect. From the escapement to the hour markers, there's a lot of pleasing touches without sacrificing legibility. This is because of the black-coated elements and bridges. The case also managed to appeal visually with a variety of finishes that's executed exceptionally well. It's done so well that it's hard to choose which to adore more, the polished frames or the microblasted inlays. Hublot took its time to encase this movement in its Spirit of Big Bang collection. Most brands tend to take an existing caliber, whether it's their own or not, and drop it into an enclosure they're working on. Hublot itself is no stranger to this. But for this novelty, they made sure its whole construction would fit in this new space as efficiently as possible. The end result is a beautiful expression of cutting-edge technology. In many respects, this is the purest form of watchmaking from Hublot, as it is unbothered with attention-stealing complications and dazzling materials construction. Gearheads rejoice as the superbly balanced beam-like bridges hold the twin-barrel mechanism and gear train in place. This ingenious way of structuring the caliber gives the Meca-10 the advantage of quickly powering the movement with the least amount of crown turning. It bears mentioning that the Spirit of Big Bang collection is a line of timepieces from Hublot that's on the rise and gaining much appreciation. I'm thoroughly impressed with what Hublot was able to accomplish with this time-only watch, the Spirit of Big Bang Meca-10. Now here's hoping that they focus more on the watchmaking side of their collections. Is my hair standing up? I hope not.